14 natural ways to make your home smell amazing. The smell of your house can say a lot about you and your family. It can also affect how much you enjoy spending time at home. In fact, the smell of your home can make or break your day. If it's fresh and clean, you're more likely to feel happy, relaxed, and inspired. If it smells like stale air and dog farts, well, let's just say that's not going to do much good for your mood. Of course, regular cleaning is an important part of maintaining a healthy home, as well as keeping it smelling good. But if you're having trouble getting rid of offensive odors, or just want your home to have more of a unique scent, then here are some natural ways you can make that happen. Number 1. Eliminate bad odors with activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a great option for getting rid of bad smells, and you can buy it at most grocery stores and natural food stores. To deodorize your home with activated charcoal, place some in a small container with holes drilled into the lid, or simply fill a cheesecloth with it. It will absorb most odors and prevent them from escaping back into the air. You can put activated charcoal near little boxes, garbage cans, diaper pails, smelly shoes, you name it. Just remember to replace it every couple of months or so. Number 2. Add essential oils to your air filter. The air filter is a vital part of your HVAC system. It helps remove dust and other particles from the air before it circulates through your home. If you don't change it regularly, the buildup will cause more dust to become airborne when the system turns on again. This will only add to the problem and make your entire house smell terrible. So, to help reduce dust and keep your home smelling fresh, it's essential to change the air filter regularly. And if you want to take it a step further, add a few drops of essential oil to the filter before replacing it. It will make your home smell amazing. Number 3. Combat pet smells with tea tree oil. Pet smells are a common problem for many homeowners. Whether you have a dog, cat, or other furry friend, accidents happen. But even if you clean up the mess immediately, smells can linger, especially on carpets. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial agent that can help eliminate smells like pet urine. The oil is also known to have disinfectant properties. To eliminate pet smells from carpets, mix 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 15 drops of tea tree essential oil in a spray bottle. Spray it on your carpet, allow it to dry, then vacuum the area. Number 4. Keep an open box of baking soda in your fridge to absorb odors. The fridge is one of the most common places for odors to develop. Aside from cleaning it regularly, you can make your fridge smell better by placing baking soda inside. Just pop open a box and leave it on the shelf. It will absorb any unpleasant odors that might be lurking inside your fridge. Replace the baking soda every 6 months. Number 5. Make your own air freshener spray. Air fresheners are a great way to make your home smell good, but they come with a lot of baggage. Many are full of chemicals that can be harmful to you and your family. So here's an easy DIY air freshener spray recipe you can make at home using natural ingredients. It's effective and perfect for people on a budget. Simply combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of witch hazel, and 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. Number 6. Freshen your carpet with baking soda. Whether you have pets or not, carpets are notorious for trapping odors and moisture, so it's important to deep clean them at least once a year. But if you're looking to freshen your carpet in between deep cleanings, baking soda is one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective ways to do it. First, vacuum the carpet thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or dust hiding in the fibers. Next, sprinkle some baking soda on it and let it sit for about 30 minutes before vacuuming again. Number 7. Tuck some scented sachets into drawers and closets. Another way to make your home smell amazing is to add some scented sachets to your drawers and closets. Scented sachets are usually made from linen or muslin cloth and filled with dried herbs, ground spices, or citrus peels. The fabric absorbs moisture from the air and then releases the scent as it dries. You can make your own or buy them ready-made at stores like Target or Walmart. Put one in every closet and dresser drawer for a pleasant scent. Number 8. Make your own fabric spray. Store-bought fabric sprays smell great, but are often loaded with toxic chemicals. To make your own natural fabric spray, add 15 drops of essential oil, such as lavender, to 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of witch hazel in a spray bottle. Shake well before using, and spritz all over your clothes, curtains, or other fabrics that need some freshening up. Number 9. Put a few drops of essential oil inside your toilet paper roll. A great way to make your bathroom smell better is by putting a few drops of your favorite essential oil near the inside edge of the cardboard tube of the toilet paper roll. This will help freshen up the bathroom and leave it smelling pleasant for guests and family members alike. Number 10. Simmer your favorite spices and herbs on the stovetop. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make your home smell good, simmering spices and herbs is an excellent option. It's easy, all natural, inexpensive, and customizable based on what you're in the mood for. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves are great options, and so are citrus peels. Simply add the ingredients to a pot filled with water and bring it to a boil. Turn down the heat and let it simmer for an hour before turning off the burner completely. The scents will linger for hours. Number 11. Get rid of those musty towel smells. One lingering odor that might be jeopardizing your home's freshness is the moldy towel smell. Thankfully, there is a simple way to get rid of that stench without having to replace your towels. All you have to do is soak your towels overnight in hot water and a cup or 2 of white vinegar. Then wash them as usual. Number 12. Refresh your fireplace. A warm, crackling fire feels so cozy and relaxing. But if you don't love the smell it gives off, try adding a few dried lemon or orange peels to the fire. The citrus scent will help mask the smoky smell and fill your room with a delicious fruity aroma. Number 13. Fill your home with houseplants that filter the air. Not only do houseplants like the spider plant or the snake plant look great and make your space feel more inviting, but they also help purify the air by removing common pollutants. We actually made an entire video on the best types of houseplants. You should check it out after. The link is in the description box below. Number 14. Crack open the windows. This may sound obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Fresh air makes everything smell better, so open your windows every day for at least 5 to 10 minutes, even if it's cold outside. The most important thing is to have cross ventilation. You want air circulating throughout your home. So try opening windows on opposite sides of the house so that cool air flows between them. Thanks for watching! If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.